Hello, Adwola. I know it's late. I just wanted to come in. I used your hair mask tonight. I didn't feel the tingling or whatnot, but oh, my hair is so curly and moisturized. And usually, I use color in my hair. You can see my scalp is a little bit where the roots are. It's gray, but normally when I wash out, all the coloring comes out in your hair. From your hair. Well, I didn't see that, so it came out real nice, and like you said, it's shiny, it's very, very soft, very, very curly. It's not, my hair is easy to tangle, so it's not unmanageable, and it's no tangle. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I finally was able to use the mask, and I love it. My hair is real nice. I went to the salon today and got my hair trimmed, and she really chopped it off, but it'll grow back. But it really looks nice. Thank you. Thank you for your product. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Hey, Adwola. This is Yolanda. Just letting you know I just got through rinsing out the mum mask, and the curls are popping. I really, 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 really love the mum mask. So I got my niece to get a picture of my back. I couldn't really get a picture of the front, but I do love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dwola sis. Thank you. Yes, trying to keep it moist under here, girl. Trying to keep it moist under here. Listen, y'all. Now, Miss Yolanda came on. Miss Diane, if you guys saw the live for Dwola, she gave Dwola testimony. I'm actually telling you all right here, right now. I did not show you all my hair because it was really, 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 really early or late last night, early this morning. I stayed up all night doing my hair because I just could not believe what my hair looked like after using the My Hair Growth Mask. Now listen, if y'all not a platinum member yet, now you heard it from Kat, you've heard it from Khalees, you've heard it reiterated by Dwola just a few minutes ago. If y'all not a platinum member, what we doing, y'all? We trying to get, as Dwola says, booty crack lit hair. And when I tell you my curls was springing back and they ain't sprung back in I don't know how long, I was in awe. I had more energy to do my hair, hence the hat. This is my get your hair done girl hat, okay? Take your time. Don't rush. Get through it smoothly and don't pull your hair out. That mask, listen, Khalees done told y'all, everybody else done told y'all that have used it. I love that mask. Yes, I love all of the products, but that's just the newest thing that I have tried from her line. Adwola's line is wonderful. This is gonna bless so many people, and we can say we tried it first. We are the first. They don't know nothing about this. But we gotta let them know, y'all. Come on, get the platinum membership. 1, 2, y'all need to get that mask. 3, y'all need to get that oil. I just put my order in for the oil. Listen, I'm trying to get this scalp clean so these follicles can take in follicles. Let me talk proper because I'm too hype. That video, them L videos got me hype. Listen, that mask got me hype, y'all. I am telling you, that is, Khalees kept saying, Dark, you not gonna understand until you listen, I can't even talk, y'all. I'm still in awe. Kat was telling me, oh, you're gonna love it. Listen, y'all, each person that comes on here can't be wrong. We know we trust Dwola in anything she makes because her hands are blessed, okay? We trying to put our sister on a whole different level. Let's go. I am so serious right now. Everything is wonderful. I cannot wait to try this oil. Yes, ma'am. I can't wait to try the oil. The bottles look good. The labels look good. I had to pause and take a closer look at the bottles. Water resistant, smart. We have an intelligent sister. She got her chemist set.
Thank you, Sister Dara. Thank you. You know I'm going to use this testimony video.
She is not playing. Yes, sis, I love you. I had to come and tell y'all, okay? I had to come and tell y'all. This is too much. Too much. We have to, y'all. Listen, get the mask. Get the platinum membership. I love all of you. I know y'all like, would Dara shut up talking? Okay, bye. Love y'all.